Yo, what's up, guys? Black Cat here. I'm making Animal Jam account.
Welcome to Animal Jam. Check out all of these amazing animals. Click the arrow buttons to pick a fun new name.
Okay, so mythical, spirit, shadow. Yes, mythical share.
Then create a unique username and password for your account.
September.
Where
My age. 11. AJ username. Let's do Black Cat game. Now let's do X Black. Gaming. There we go, Black Cat Gaming 101. Okay, yo, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to put in my email and then my...
Welcome to your new home. My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around.
Okay, Peck, I'm coming. Help. Oh, no, it's really laggy. Oh, I don't like that. Hey. You're really laggy.
Everyone has their own unique style.
Okay.
Let's start by customizing
Oh,
yours.
yay. I love customizing.
You can choose and combine lots of different colors. You can change the shape and color of your eyes.
Everybody already knows this, Peck.
Lots of different colorful patterns.
Yeah, everybody
Why
already
don't you
knows
give
this.
it a try?
Okay.
When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit.
Oh, no. No. Guys, this is where I get, like, really stupid about my... Wait, I really... Oh, no. I don't know.
When you are happy with your new look,
We know, Peck. Shut up. So these colors, I really like that style though. So okay. Hello. I'm a color mommy. I don't know. Oh. Love it.
I know just what you need.
Yeah.
Hey,
Woohoo. Oh, what is that?
Stop.
I want to know what is it. What is it? $1,500 gems.
Wow! Look at all those gems.
Yeah, I know.
How many did you find?
Wow.
Wow! You sure are lucky. You'll find more fun ways to get gems.
I hope so.
Along with lots of places
My den is the coolest. Fox, your den is not the coolest. Just to let you know, your den down here is not the coolest. You down here, you're not the... Okay, let's go. I know the way. It's really laggy, but I know the way. Oh no, it's really, really laggy. Oh. then it's great. Let's go to Siberian forest. I don't know. There's a painter easel. Maybe I'll make a video about me painting. Whee! I am so rad about this. I am rad. No one's here. No one's here. No one's here. No one likes me. Let's create a new animal. I want to know what kind of animal I can create. Why are they all locked? Let's create a giraffe. Guys, I'm gonna create a giraffe. Because giraffes are awesome. Ooh, awesome. Awesome. Tiny. Awesome tiny eyes. Yes. I just love it. What does those skunks do? Are they? Oh, apparently they do nothing. Okay, we should wait. I think they should be the same colors. I will see. I said tiny eyes. I feel so stupid. But I love it. It's like so adorable. No! I'm going to jump. Oh, hi leopard. No. Hello people. What's up? Oh hi. Hello. I feel sad and depressed. I don't understand this game. Hey guys. Hello. Hey. Yeah, just a giraffe. Please don't judge me. Just gonna sit, be myself. Friends. You have no friends. Hey, are you sad? Yes, I have no friends. One, two, three, they're gonna come after me. No, maybe this dude wants to be my friend. You wanna be my friend, Ice Pickle? Ice Pickle. You don't want to be friends with a stupid giraffe, do you? Well, I'm gonna show you something not stupid. I have no clothing on. I'm naked. I'm naked. Can I put clothing on? I have no clothing. You have to be serious. Who has no clothing? Seriously. Okay, guys. See you guys later. Peace out and like and subscribe.